Love your neighbor as yourself. Jesus teaches that real love begins with empathy. Treat others with the same care you want for yourself. This is the foundation of a peaceful life. 2. Love the Lord your God with all your heart. He calls us to anchor our lives in God. True devotion shapes our thoughts, actions, and purpose. It's the center of spiritual strength. 3. Ask, seek, and knock. Jesus invites us to pursue God boldly. When we reach out with sincerity, doors open. Growth begins with action. 4. I am the way, the truth, and the life. He presents himself as the path to meaning. Truth is found in relationship with him. Life becomes deeper and fuller through faith. 5. Let your light shine before others. Your character is your message. Live with integrity so others see goodness through you. Your light inspires change. 6. Do to others as you would have them do to you. Jesus summarizes all ethics in one rule. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Fairness begins with imagination. 7. Blessed are the peacemakers. Peace doesn't happen by accident. It's created by those who choose reconciliation. These people reflect God's heart. 8. Blessed are the poor in spirit. Humility opens the door to God's kingdom. Recognizing our need for help is strength. Dependence on God transforms us. 9. I am the bread of life. Jesus offers nourishment beyond the physical. He fills the hunger of the soul. True satisfaction comes from him. 10. I am the light of the world. He brings clarity where there is confusion. Light reveals truth and guides our steps. Following him leads to wisdom. 11. I am the Good Shepherd. Jesus cares for us with protection and sacrifice. He guides gently and faithfully. His leadership is rooted in love. 12. I am the vine. You are the branches. Life flows from staying connected to him. Without that connection, we wither. With him, we grow and bear fruit. 13. I am the resurrection and the life. Jesus holds power over death and despair. He brings hope where hope seems lost. In him, life is renewed. 14. With God, all things are possible. Human limits don't limit God. Impossible situations become opportunities for faith. This truth fuels courage. 15. For God so loved the world. Jesus reveals the depth of God's love. It reaches every person without exception. This love invites trust and transformation. 16. Whatever you did for the least of these, you did for me. Jesus identifies with the vulnerable. Kindness toward others is kindness toward him. Compassion becomes sacred. 17. Love one another. He commands love as the mark of his followers. Not just emotion, but action. Love is the evidence of God's presence. 18. Do not let your hearts be troubled. Jesus speaks peace into fear. Trust in God brings stability. Even in uncertainty, we can rest. 19. Peace I leave with you. My peace I give you. His peace is deeper than circumstances. It calms the heart and strengthens the spirit. This peace is a gift, not something we earn. 20. Fear not. Jesus repeatedly calls us to courage. Fear loses power when we trust God's presence. Faith turns anxiety into boldness.